Sure. Here's a revised version of your script with onion replaced by tea, while maintaining the same informative and engaging tone. Did you know that a humble cup of tea, yes, that everyday beverage you probably already have in your kitchen, can unlock faster plant growth and naturally deter pests? Stick around till the end, because this simple step might just make a big difference in your garden's health. Start with 1 cup of strong brewed tea. Choose an organic, unsweetened variety. Black, green, or even herbal teas like chamomile work well. Let it cool to lukewarm before use. No special equipment needed. Just steep and strain. Once it's cooled, mix it with half a liter of room temperature water to dilute the tannins and other compounds for safe plant use. Stir it gently to combine. You've now created a simple, all-natural plant tonic that can benefit your garden in surprising ways. Here's why it works. Tea is rich in antioxidants, flavonoids, and tannins that can stimulate healthy growth and help fend off pests and fungal diseases. Its mild acidity can improve soil pH slightly, and the scent and compounds can deter common pests like aphids and spider mites. Lightly mist this tea tonic onto your plant's leaves at sunrise, when the stomata are open and most receptive. No need to soak, just a light coating will do. Apply weekly during active growth, and switch to biweekly once plants are well established. For young seedlings, dilute the mixture by half. They're sensitive, but will still soak up the benefits. In just a couple of weeks, you might notice lusher growth, sturdier stems, and fewer pest problems. Stick with it through the season, and by harvest time, your plants will be stronger, more resilient, and thriving, like they've been nurtured with nature's own elixir. Give it a try, and let me know how it works for you in the comments. If a cup of tea can supercharge your garden like it did mine, don't forget to share this tip with fellow gardener, and I'll see you in the next green-filled episode. Let me know if you like the script shortened, turned into bullet points, or adjusted for a specific type of tea or plant.